Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Terra box. This is a monthly, all-natural skincare, beauty, bath, makeup subscription box. I always feel like when I unbox these, I need them. Like, I need this kind of like just for me thing. Don't mind my hair. I'm like cleaning up. It's like 89 degrees in here. And like my drawers are open because I'm digging through everything, just trying to find like the time it came from. You know, like I want to make sure I'm not using expired stuff. So anyway, about Terra, it's just a fabulous, fabulous beauty box. $34.95 for the traditional standard box that contains 3 to 4 products. They also do have the makeup only box, which is $29.95, and that includes 3+ makeup items each month. We're just gonna get in here. This is the April box. So it's always really nicely packaged. I think it's just really well done. And they're very careful too to make sure things don't break and don't spill, and it's a lot of thought put into it. And you get this little card. They changed it up a little bit. Don't mind my nails, they're terrible. Anyway, also somehow, like, because I'm using my phone camera, the like selfie thing got put on. I don't even know if it affects videos, but I keep seeing like it puts like this light on my face, and I'm like, I don't like that at all. Also, if any of you guys watched my videos, there was this loud hissing noise. I'm like, what is that noise? Here it's my ring light, because I turned it on and I was like, oh, that's the noise. And that's why it seems so loud, because it's attached to my phone, so I can't use it. Anyway, this goes through each of the products included in the box, as well as their retail values. I smell something really florally in here. It smells really good. All right, let's get in there. All right, first we have from Formulary 55. I know this company because they're in this box a lot. This is a sparkling bath tablet. This is gardenia. You guys know I love florals, and one of my nostalgic fragrances is gardenia. We used to have these little, do you guys remember? They were like little circles, and you put it in the tub and it put out like oil. They would like dissolve. I loved those when I was a kid. And we had gardenia. And that's what this reminds me of. And I love, look at the packaging. Oh, it's so darn good. All right. Next we have, ooh, it's an all-natural deodorant. I have been wanting to find a good one of these. So this is from LB. Is that what it means? Live Beautifully. Oh, we've gotten the Live Beautifully body. It's a Southern-based company. They make amazing products. I did not know they had a deodorant. So this is Blueberry Violets. Aluminum-free. Ooh, so it's like a gel. Can you see? It's not like a powder. I'm sorry, I'm going to be weirder. Ooh, it smells good. It's not too fruity either. It does have like a floral scent. So it's a big stick. It's a full-size stick, which is awesome. All right. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. It's not, okay. So Glow for a Cause makes all these amazing body products. They are fantastic, and a portion of their proceeds goes towards, I don't remember now. Anyway, this is their Body Butter and Dream. I just went through my drawers and I had a double of the facial nourishing cream. It's like calendula citrus. I just passed it on to my girlfriend, my double, because I'll never be able to use it all. But that's funny because I was telling her, I'm like, their products are so good. Oh, so we actually got a solid perfume of this, and we got I think a roll-on perfume of this. I like their body butter though. It's really nice. It's like super creamy and luxurious. Okay. So our final product, girls, is, what is this? Tangerine Lip Balm from, who is this by? It doesn't say. Wait, no, here it does. Natural Alternative. Ooh, I'm not going to open this yet. I do like the tube, though. Look at that tube. It's like, so what am I smelling exactly? I think it's this and this. Like a mixture. Because it's not one or the other. So, and I don't think, I can't smell this because it's all wrapped up. Anyway, that's everything that I received in my Terra. Do we want to go through retail values really quickly? I think it's a good idea. All right, so this Formula 55 bath tablet is $6. The Live Beautifully deodorant is $8.50. They actually have their own website. I'll link to all these in my full review. If you're interested in that, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Terra box so you can check them out. The lip balm is $3 from a Natural Alternative, and Glow for a Cause Body Butter and Dream is $26. It doesn't say it doesn't say here where they donate their proceeds to. Anyway, I thought maybe it would. that is everything that I received. Let me know down below what you liked in this box, what you didn't like, everything that you thought. I always love to hear your guys' opinions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!